kindergarten, it's Miss Hartman today. I know that you wish that you were with your teacher, but today we're going to have a lot of fun with special videos we're making, and I get to teach you math. So please get out your wipe-off board. Today we're going to be working on subtraction. And do you remember what subtraction means? Well, let's start out with talking about the symbol that we use when we're learning subtraction. I'm going to hold it up for you. Do you remember what that's called? That's right, that's the minus sign. And this is going to tell us to take something away, okay? So we're going to start out with a number, a quantity, and then we're going to take something away. And then do you think we're going to end up with a difference that is bigger or smaller than the original number? That's right, we're going to end up with the smaller number because we're always going to be taking something away. Unless we take away 0. If we took away 0, which means nothing, then it probably would be the same number. Is that right? So today I'm so excited because it's December, or maybe it's even the beginning of January, and you're using this video, and we're going to be making snowmen. So what you're going to need for this activity is you're going to need a bag of Play-Doh or a little can of Play-Doh. So go ahead and go get those items. You're going to need your wipe-off board, Play-Doh today, and you're going to need a wipe-off marker, and you're going to need your eraser. So go ahead and pause this video, go get all 4 items, and come on back with me. Okay, so now we're back together, and Miss Hartman, oh, my Play-Doh today is a dark color. It looks like almost like I would be making my snowman out of coal instead of snow. It doesn't matter what color your Play-Doh is. We're going to first start out on our board. I'm going to turn my screen down. And if you can take your Play-Doh also, and I want you to first take your Play-Doh and squish it down and start rolling it out like a snake. And the first part of our lesson today, because we're going to be working with quantities, we're going to have to make some sets. So I'd like you today to roll out your snake long enough to be able to form 10 different balls, okay, different snowman balls. But you know, when you build a snowman in the snow, you know some of the balls have to be really big because that would be like, what would you use that for, the head? No, you would use that for the bottom of the snowman, right? So you might want some of your balls to be big to be on the bottom, and some of your balls you want to be medium, maybe for the middle of the body, and then you could even make some really tiny balls to stick for the head, okay? So we need to make 10 balls right now. So go ahead and follow Miss Hartman, and if you need to pause the video if I'm going too fast, okay? And you create 10 balls, and then we're going to get started, okay? So I'm going to make mine here. I'll make some of my balls really small for the head. I need to make a few small balls. 10, that's a lot of balls to make. I've never built a snowman with 10 balls on it. I wonder if I could build a snowman that tall. How many do I have so far? You know, I can see an arrangement forming right on my wipe-off board without even arranging it. Do you see 3 and 3? That's right, I've got 6. And then I got one more, 7 so far. Oh, that'll be 8. How many more do I need to make 10? That's right. I need 2 more because I have 8, 9. Maybe I'll make one more big one. 10. Okay. So before we go on, we're going to have another video after this that you're going to be working on with subtraction. But before we go on, I'd like you to check and make sure that you have 10 before we get started. And a lot of counting strategies that Miss Hartman likes to use include lining up or arranging, okay? Because that really helps my brain to be able to see all that I'm counting. I want to be able to move from the left to the right when I'm counting. And if you can't fit all the balls on your wipe-off board, that's okay. I'll just put one over on the table. Okay, so I'm going to count now from the left to the right, and I'd like you to arrange your balls and make your set. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. And so now, before we move on to the next part of our math lesson, I'd like you to take your balls, now that you know you have 10, and you can arrange them all down the side of your wipe-off board so that you have playing space to build your snowman, and we're going to be writing our equation here. Okay, go ahead and click the next link when you're ready to go, and we're going to get moving on to learning subtraction today. Thanks for joining me. I can't wait to see you again. Bye.